everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Vivian. As you saw in my intro, I do all things beauty, fashion, hauls, vlogs, lifestyle videos, all sorts of fun things. If you're interested in that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss out on my future videos. Okay, so today is a super exciting video. I don't get to do these a whole lot for obvious reasons, but my husband and I went shopping a couple hours from where we live, and it was for our anniversary. So of course I got to treat myself with a couple luxury goods that I've kind of been eyeing for about a year now. So let's go ahead and get these unboxed. Okay, so no surprise, here is the big old bag from Louis Vuitton. I have already sort of been using these two items that I'm going to show you guys, so I can give you a brief review, but if you want a more intensive video on these items, I can give a more thorough review if you're interested. But let's go ahead and get started. I will start with the smaller item, which came in this box right here. Just like a little pull-out box. It was wrapped in a ribbon, but I took that off already. Here is my purchase receipt that I got. So here it is right here. And it came in this little pouch. I just love the way they wrap everything. And here's what I got. This is the CLEMENCE or CLEMENCE, I don't know how they pronounce it, CLEMENCE wallet by Louis Vuitton, and it's in the black in the Epi Leather. As you can see, it's got some texture there. It's very understated. There is the LV logo right here, if you can see that, depending on the lighting. So it's a very understated wallet. If you don't like the LV to be shouted out or in people's faces, this is a great option. I have been looking for a black bag and a black wallet for a while now. I did purchase, if you can see it right up there, the black backpack, and I've been loving it. But I realized that I really do need a handbag. Backpacks are a little bit more casual. I had a couple business meetings that I wanted to go to, and I really didn't have a nice black bag. So I decided that one's not fully functional for me. Here is the inside. I did take everything out of it just to show you guys everything that's here. It says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in Spain, right there. So on this side, we've got one larger pouch here, and then we have 4 spaces for credit cards on this side. The middle, we have a zipper. You can keep your coins and change in there. The hardware is silver, which I really wanted to stay in the silver family. And then on the other side, there's another space right here. There's another pouch back there. And again, 4 more spaces for cards. So realistically, you could fit 8 cards in here, whether it be credit cards, frequency cards, you know, gift cards, whatever you wanted to put in. I try to keep 1 card per slot, just so I don't stretch it out too much. And then you can put other things back here. You can put cash in here, obviously, your change. I think there's a lot of room. My phone fits, but it's the Plus phone, iPhone, and it's pretty tight. There can't be really anything else in here in order for the phone to fit. So I don't know that I'll be using this so much as a clutch. I think it's going to be pretty much solely used as a wallet. Here is the closure right there. I just think it's really cool. It's got a lot of nice detail that I really love. And again, it's a little bit understated, which I'm liking as well. Most of my other stuff, like the backpack, has the big LV in silver. And so this is a little bit different because of the Epi Leather. So I'm really liking this so far. I will have everything listed down below. If I can find the items, I'll list them. I'll have measurements and everything if I can find everything. I'll have all the information, pricing, and everything down below if you guys are interested in looking at that. And again, if you wanted me to do a more thorough review after I've been using it for a while, then let me know down below and leave me a comment and let me know what you guys think of each item. Okay, now for the big boy. This large box right here, again with a ribbon on it, but I really didn't want to attempt to try and recreate the way that they nicely put the ribbon on. There's really no need. You guys know how these come. But here's the box right here. It is a magnetic closure box, so I really like it. And now that you've seen the wallet, you may be able to guess what kind of bag I got. Louis Vuitton does have quite a few black Epi Leather bags. I opted for this bag right here. This is the NEONOE, I believe is how you say it. I think all the Neos are about the same size. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments section below, but I believe they don't come in like the MM or PM sizes. I don't think. So I think they're all pretty much the same size. So this is the bag right here. It has got a closure like that, and it opens up really nice and wide like that. Now, what kind of sold me on this bag, not to mention the fact that it was black and it was a handbag and it didn't have a flip top, because I just wanted something I could just start throwing things in if I needed to. I didn't want to have to mess with a closure or an opening. I don't know if you guys understand where I'm coming from, but I just wanted something simple that I could just pop open and throw things in if I needed to. What really sold me is the handles. You have probably a good 3 options for the handle. Your first option is maybe even 4 options if you want to think about it that way. But so we've got this smaller handle here and the larger handle here. This smaller handle can be removed. So what I've been doing a lot of the time thus far is I've been removing the smaller handle and using it as either a shoulder bag like this, or you just unsnap right here and pull this up and then snap it again up here on top like that, and it all of a sudden becomes a crossbody option. So I am just loving to be able to do that, because what I do love about my backpack is that I can go hands-free. So I wanted to be able to do shoulder bag, more formal bag, crossbody bag, and all-in-one option here. And I think I've got it completely with this Neo bag. So I'm really excited about it. It's super easy to switch this out. Just undo the snaps, put it back, and then just snap it back down here. And with it being kind of like a double handle, it really makes it kind of easy on your shoulder. Obviously another option, third or fourth option you could call it, is to remove that handle and then just make it a handbag where you're just holding it like this, and it's a little bit more formal like that, which is a super, super cute option. I think this is great if you're just going to go out for dinner or something simple. Maybe you could wear it on your arm. And I'll try to insert some pictures of me using the bag or a video so you guys can see that. But I am just loving this. I think it really just serves a really cool function for me, and it's working out really great. So like I said, what I'm doing right now mostly is doing the handbag or crossbody option with this, and it's just so easy, as you can see, to kind of switch out the way that you want to wear the bag. So you just open it up like this. Like I said, it opens up really big like that. I already have a couple things in there. There is a zipper closure right here. It's really nice because I just put my keys in there or anything you just don't want to have fall out. I have mints. So just a really nice option. The inside, you probably can't see that, but it's kind of like a microfiber lining, so it's very nice, pretty luxurious. I do have my little Louis makeup bag in here, and my wallet fits perfectly in this bag as well. A lot of things fit in here. It's very deep. I think it's a great option. If you want to travel with this instead of like the backpack, I think it's a great option as well. There is the LV right there. So again, very understated, but classic, and I think really, really elegant. Here's the bottom. I try not to rest it on the floor if I can get away with that because it does not have any legs, but it's held up pretty well. The bottom is more of a leather canvas, I believe. It's not the Epi leather, as you can tell, because this is kind of like, you can see the grains in here and there is nothing here. It's very classic looking. I think I could have it for years and years and years to come. It's not real super trendy. I think that I'll just have this and I'll be able to use this bag and this wallet for a very long time. And I think the wallet obviously is interchangeable. I can put this in any bag. I can put this in the backpack and my duffel. So I think it's just a really, really great option. Anyway, so that is what I got for our anniversary. I'm very excited about my purchases, and so let me know if you guys have the Neo or the CLEMENCE wallet. Let me know down below. Let me know how it's holding up for you guys. Let me know your thoughts on it. If you have any questions, definitely leave me comments below. I still try to answer every question. And of course, I'll put everything in the description box, like I said, so that you guys have as much information as possible. And so don't forget to check that out. I'll probably even include some other similar options to this that are more affordable if you like the style and look of this bag. So anyway, don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video or if you like these purchases. And of course, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on my future videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.